Happy Hearts Hub.
Hey Space Explorers, welcome back to Happy Hearts Hub. It's me, Zogo, your favorite alien fruit from Planet Produce. I love exploring new places and learning cool things with you. Last time, we had an awesome adventure in the jungle. We met playful monkeys, colorful butterflies, and even learned about the tallest trees on Earth. But do you remember what I saw when I was flying back to my ship? That's right, the big blue ocean. Let's go on another adventure together and see what amazing things we'll find. All right, Space Explorers, time for our next big adventure. I saw this huge blue thing from space, and now we're going to dive in and explore. Ready? 3, 2, 1, splash down. Whoa, I made it. Look at all these fish swimming around me. It's like a whole new world under here. Did you know the ocean covers over 70% of Earth? And we've only explored 5% of it. That means there could be creatures we've never seen before. All right, explorers, the ocean is full of amazing creatures. Let's go through the alphabet and see what we can find.
First up, A is for axolotl. This little underwater salamander is so cool. It never grows up. It stays looking like a baby its whole life. Imagine if you never had to grow up. B is for barrel-eye fish. This deep-sea swimmer has a see-through head. You can actually see its brain. Whoa, that's like having a built-in X-ray vision. C is for coconut octopus. This smart little octopus uses shells and coconut halves as armor. It even carries them around like a little backpack. Talk about being prepared. D is for dragonfish. This deep-sea predator has glowing fangs. It lives in the darkest parts of the ocean where there's no sunlight. Imagine having glow-in-the-dark teeth. E is for elephant seal. These big guys can hold their breath for 2 whole hours underwater. That's like watching your favorite cartoon show 20 times before coming up for air. F is for fangtooth. This little fish has the biggest teeth compared to its body size. If humans had teeth like that, our teeth would be as long as our arms. Whoa! G is for goblin shark. This spooky-looking shark has a jaw that shoots forward like a slingshot to catch its food. Talk about a surprise attack. H is for hatchetfish. It's small and shiny, and it actually glows in the dark. Imagine if you could glow in the dark. How fun would that be? I is for icefish. This little fish has antifreeze in its blood so it doesn't freeze in icy waters. If I had that, I'd never get cold on a snowy planet. J is for Japanese spider crab. Its legs are longer than a human. Imagine a crab as big as a dinner table. Yikes. K is for krill. These little guys are super tiny, but whales eat millions of them every day. They're like the popcorn of the ocean. L is for lanternfish. It glows in the dark and makes up most of the deep ocean fish. It's like the ocean has its own built-in nightlights. M is for megamouth shark. It has a huge mouth that looks like a big goofy grin. But don't worry, it only eats tiny food. N is for nautilus. It's been around since the time of the dinosaurs. That's over 500 million years. That's way older than me. O is for oarfish. This long wiggly fish is so big that people once thought it was a sea monster. But don't worry, it's totally harmless. P is for peacock mantis shrimp. This colorful shrimp has the strongest punch in the ocean. It's so powerful, it can break glass. Q is for quill worm. It's a deep-sea worm that looks like a feather. It's wiggly, spiky, and super strange. R is for ribbon eel. This long, neon-colored eel looks like a wavy ribbon floating in the water. So fancy. S is for sunfish. It's one of the heaviest fish in the world, but all it does is float around and relax. Sounds like a pretty easy life. T is for tripod fish. It has super long fins and actually stands on the ocean floor. It's like a fish with stilts. U is for umbrella squid. It's a cute little squid that looks like a tiny floating umbrella. I wish I had one to keep me dry in the rain. V is for viperfish. It has needle-sharp teeth and can glow in the dark. Talk about a spooky-looking fish. W is for wobbegong shark. It's a flat shark that looks just like the ocean floor. It's the ultimate hide-and-seek champion. X is for Zephyrsura. These creatures have been around for over 450 million years. That's older than dinosaurs. Y is for yeti crab. It's a crab with fuzzy arms. It looks like it's wearing fluffy mittens. Z is for zooplankton. These tiny creatures glow in the dark and are food for many sea animals. They might be small, but they're super important.
All right, space explorers, it's time to head back to my ship. I don't want to turn into a watermelon from staying in the ocean too long. Haha. Up, up, up we go. Wow, what an epic adventure. First, we explored the jungle and now the ocean. But there's still so much more to discover. Where do you think I should go next? Maybe somewhere with big animals that run super fast? Or a place where animals have to survive in the freezing cold? I guess we'll find out soon. Stay tuned, space explorers. If you had fun today, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Happy Hearts Hub for more fun learning adventures. See you next time, space explorers.